Welcome to online enrollment registration for the West Linn-Wilsonville School District. In this video, we'll show you how to input your students' information for new accounts. This video picks up after inputting your information for new parents or guardians. If you need to complete those steps first, visit our previous video for helpful information on that. Once we get to the New Students tab, on the first page, click here to Add New Student. If you have multiple students to add, complete the first student and then go back to add other students one by one. On the next page, fill in the important information like name, birth date, and grade. Remember, all fields with red asterisks must be filled in. The physical and mailing addresses should autofill with the address of the parents we inputted earlier. The next pages fill in more information on your student, like place of birth and birth verification document type. You can add phone numbers and emails for the students if they have them. Then we'll ask which location the student stays at night. This helps the next page in determining which school boundary the student falls into. If you need to request a school assignment change or transfer, you can do so on the next page. If the boundary assignment is correct, just leave this box blank and hit Save and Continue. The next page asks if you live inside the walking boundary for school or if busing is needed for your child. On this page, we ask the relationship this child has to each parent or guardian. Select all the boxes that apply. These relationships are only for this individual child. If other students of yours have different relationships, we'll ask about them when you fill out those individual students. In the next few pages, fill in answers about languages used both personally and at home. After that, we'll ask about any life-threatening health conditions as well as latest health screenings for your student. Next, if needed, you can apply for nutritional services help, like free and reduced meals. Click on the link here to apply. If you need to print out the applications, you can do so by clicking here. If you don't need these options, just click Save and Continue. Remember, free and reduced applications are only for students who attend schools not participating in CEP. If your student's school is a CEP school, they receive free breakfast and lunch no matter what. Visit the district website to learn if your student attends a CEP school. On the next page, fill in any special instructions needed should an emergency closure occur. If you check this box here to follow normal daily routine, no other special instructions are needed. Finally, for that student, fill in any previous schooling history, including where they attended, any disciplinary record, or any program participations. Now that your student information is filled out, if you need to add any more students, you can click Add New Student and follow the same steps as we just covered. Otherwise, hit Save and Continue. Here is where you can upload needed documents, such as home address verification. If you'd rather hand in a hard copy instead of uploading, you can click this box here and deliver the documents to the school instead. Make sure to click that box each time for every document needed if you plan to hand in hard copies. At the bottom of this page, open and download the file to review the Student Rights and Responsibilities document. The other files here you can open and download include the Google Account Authorization Form and Student Records Authorization Form. To save time, you can click here to download all three documents at once. Finally, review all the information that you have input. This will include information on the parents and all of your students. Click here to confirm all data is correct and then hit Submit. And welcome to the West Linn-Wilsonville School District.